Have you ever caught yourself crying in the bathroom every day at your work? Have you ever felt overworked and underappreciated? Have you ever felt like keep checking your watch, like when I am gonna go home? Have you ever felt like that bullying which used to happen in our school is happening at your workplace, but in a very corporate way? Have you ever found yourself in the loophole of work, sleep, work, sleep, work, sleep? Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. So by the title, you know that, what I have done. So I just want to come here and quickly address this because a lot of people are going to get confused with the coming videos. So to avoid that confusion, I just wanted to make sure that we all are on the same page. I wanted to make this video like live before October, but ऐसा हो नहीं पाया because एक चीज़ होती है फुल एंड फाइनल जो आपको चाहिए होती है. सो हम उसी का वेट कर रहे हैं, एक बार वो आ जाए फिर हम इस वीडियो को लाइव कर देंगे, ठीक है. सो आई मेड अ वेरी वेरी सिमिलर वीडियो around February or March. I think February I started working with this company, a startup which I cannot name, but yeah, I started working with them and I was all energetic, enthusiastic, I'm gonna rule this world kind of mode. But
यहाँ का work environment काफी टट्टी है.
ऊपर से there's late nights, no overtime pay and casual sexism.
Within like 15-20 days into the work, I realized it is not my place, and the kind of culture was also, what, you can just go and read the Glassdoor reviews if you know how to do that, if you are smart enough. So yeah, I knew from like within a week, okay, oh shit, this is not happening. But as I already said that I was interested in a very different field and I got this job just to pay my bills, but I had no idea that this job would come with such a mental toll. So जब तक हम ऑफिस जा रहे थे तब तक things were still fine because I had friends around me. I had Indrani, I had Kartikeya, I had Manvi. We used to talk and we somehow get through the day. But when it was lockdown, then things went downhill, baby. Things went down the hill. So work from home, I think most of the people who work in a corporate world would agree that there was no boundary left. Like you are working 24/7. You're logging in the morning and you don't know when you will log out. Okay, and इसके बीच में क्या होता है ना, बीच में you also do your छोटा मोटा stuff, but you're constantly working. जैसे ऑफिस में एक environment होता है that you go, you punch in, you work for 9 hours or 10 hours or sometimes 12 hours, but then you go home. But at home, where you'll go, you can just open your laptop and work. This became a problem and we constantly found ourselves working, and I am a person guys who really want a good work-life balance, and I really like having a life outside office because it recharges you in some way. And like there was one person in that office who was taking a meeting and he all of a sudden out of nowhere came and said, what the fuck is work-life balance? Work-life balance is for government employees or kamchor. That was his words, baby. And he said there is nothing as like work-life balance. ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं होती है. And अगर आपको वो क्या था, हाँ, so you put whatever comes first for you. If work come first, it's work, and whenever you want life, you put life first. Okay, that's how we go about it. There is no balance, there is priority. So this is how we were hanging there. So I was like okay, I mean all the HR management and the theories people have read and gave is all done and dusted there. In lockdown, जब दूसरी वेव आई थी उस टाइम पे द वर्कलोड वॉज इंटेंस. Okay, and then we were constantly working. I know I used to call people and cry in middle of the day that it's too much for me, I cannot do this much. And there was this one friend of mine who told me to not go for this profile, and he said to me, it's on you, bitch. You chose this, I told you not go this. And then I had nobody else to blame apart from myself. But again, this was giving me money during pandemic, so I was like, fine, let's just do it for the money. But after 2-3 months I was like, I can't even do this for money, this is getting beyond my hands. And there was this like pehle I used to, there was this vicious circle of working and sleeping and working and sleeping and working and sleeping. And then there was a cycle of working, crying, sleeping, crying, working, crying, sleeping, crying. This exactly what I was doing. कोई मेरे से मेरे ऑफिस की बात कर लेता था, मैं उसी समय रोना शुरू हो जाती थी. Yeah, just like this kid who is in the background giving this amazing sound effect. So I started having frequent mental breakdowns. I started having more anxiety. कोई मुझसे सामने से आके बात कर लेता था, I was always very very worried. And I was very anxious in May, June, July. I was just on the verge of committing a suicide. I felt like, oh my god, what the hell am I doing? And I gained over 7-8 kgs because I was just constantly sitting, no physical movement. I was not doing anything. I went even Himachal. I thought ki, I'll be a little free there, I'll move or something like that, but that did not happen. My mommy was so worried about me, like, how do you do this on daily basis? Like, you just open your laptop, you sit in front of it for the entire day and night. And I just started realizing more and more that it is very very unhealthy. And all of my friends who are very practical, by the way, yeah, he will never advise me to leave a job without having any other option in hand. But he was still saying ki, you know what, we'll figure it out, you just leave this job, we will find another job, we'll do something, but you just leave this one because I don't think so it's really good for you. On top of it, I also felt that why I got this job in the first place was to have money, to have access to all those things which I don't have. But again, I don't have time for anything else apart from work. Even on weekends I was so energy drained. I had no ichha left to do anything. So yeah, that was happening with me. And there was this one particular day where I worked till 3 in the night, and the next day my reporting manager told me कि तुम तो कुछ काम ही नहीं करती हो. And I was like, what? Huh? He said this to me and I was like, how do you define work? Just tell me, what is the parameter? Then I think that was the day when my sister were asking me to do something, and there was this manager who told me that you're not doing anything, but according to me I was doing a lot, and that was the most amount of work I have ever done in my life. And then we had this chotu sa, how should I say this, accident. I just started screaming and I started sobbing. I started crying in a way that I could not breathe, and I just felt I am just drowning and I will die today. And that was the day that I had the worst mental breakdown of my life. Yeah, that was something. So then that day I decided that you know what, I just can't do this anymore. And maybe there are people who are thriving in this profile, but it's just not for me. I cannot do this, and I need to get out of here. Yeah, there was this point where I just felt that I'm losing it altogether, like the purpose and everything.
So I quit guys. So उस फर्म में बहुत सारे लूप होल्स थे, बहुत सारे फ्लॉज थे, और मैं वहाँ पे किसी भी एंगल में फिट नहीं हो रही थी. और मैं शायद अगर वहाँ पे 4-5 महीने और कंटिन्यू कर लेती, मुझे 1 साल का वर्क एक्स मिल जाता, बट आई गेस मैं अपनी मेंटल स्टेबिलिटी खो देती. सो इट वॉज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी टू मूव आउट. एंड मैंने खुद को एक प्रॉमिस किया था कि मैं तब तक जॉब क्विट नहीं करूँगी जब तक मुझे कहीं और से कोई ऑफर ना मिल जाए, बिकॉज आई रियली डोंट वांट टू सेट आइडल. एंड यूट्यूब से आई हैव टोल्ड यू गाइज मैनी टाइम्स कि इतनी स्टेबल इनकम नहीं आती है मुझे. सो मैं एंड उस टाइम पे व्हेन आई वाज लीविंग माई जॉब आई वाज नॉट इवन क्रॉस 25,000 सब्सक्राइबर और एनीथिंग. तो मैंने खुद को प्रॉमिस किया था कि द डे आई विल गेट वन ऑफर फ्रॉम एनीवेयर आई विल leave the job. And by God's grace I got 2 to 3 offers and I accepted one of them, and I am currently with this really nice firm which is somewhat aligned to my interest, and I'm enjoying it. I'm learning. The team is super nice, the people are super supportive. And तू नज़र मत लगा देना कोई भी प्लीज़, ठीक है? जिंक्स नहीं करने की ज़रूरत है. और अब कोई ये भी बोल सकता है कि मेरे को वो जॉब नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए था, बिकॉज यू नो कॉर्पोरेट इज़ लाइक दिस, कॉर्पोरेट इज़ लाइक दैट, ऐसा ही होने वाला है, कहीं पे भी काम ईजी नहीं होगा, एंड ऑल. बट गाइज द प्रॉब्लम आई वॉज फेसिंग देयर वॉज द कल्चर. आई वॉज फीलिंग रियली ऑड इन दैट फर्म. मेरी मेंटल हेल्थ पे बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क पड़ रहा था, एंड आई डोंट नो इफ़ यू नो दिस और नॉट, बट आई एम वेरी सोशली ऑकवर्ड. एंड वहाँ रह के मेरी सोशल ऑकवर्डनेस और एंशियसनेस बस बढ़ती ही जा रही थी. And I'm still not very comfortable, but I think this video is very important to put it out there so that you guys know that it is okay to quit. ठीक है, कोई बुरी बात नहीं है, तुम क्विट कर सकते हो. जीनियस वो नहीं होता है जो क्विट नहीं करता है, जीनियस वो होता है जिसको पता होता है कि कब क्विट करना है. और हम अपनी लाइफ की इंस्पिरेशन शाहरुख खान की मूवीज से लेते हैं, तो मुझे लग रहा है कि ये शाहरुख खान का ही डायलॉग है किसी मूवी का. अगर आपको लगता है कि यू आर नॉट फीलिंग वेलकम समवेयर, जस्ट गेट ऑफ द टेबल एंड मूव ऑन. लाइफ में और भी अच्छी चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी, कुछ ना कुछ तो बेटर मिल ही जाएगा फॉर श्योर. एंड आई होप यू एंजॉयड वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. आई होप आई मेक इट रियली शॉर्ट, क्रिस्प, टू द पॉइंट. आप लोगों को आइडिया हो जाए कि मेरी लाइफ में चल क्या रहा है. ऑल्सो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि कोई भी नई फॉर्म ज्वाइन करने से पहले उसके रिव्यूज़ ज़रूर पढ़ना. ग्लास डोर पे जाके बेवकूफ़ी मत करना कि अगर ग्लास डोर पे गंदे रिव्यूज़ लिखे हैं उसके बाद भी तुम जाके घुस जाओ उस फॉर्म में, वो स्टुपिडिटी मत करना. एंड या it was an adventurous experience, and yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for all the love, support. So many people started saying this in September that you know your energy is back, because I left that job and मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मेरा एक rebirth हो गया है. So yeah, thank you for all of you who are saying such nice sweet things, and I'm sorry मैं आजकल थोड़ा सा कंसिस्टेंट नहीं हूँ वीडियोज़ के साथ, बट आई एम श्योर देयर विल बी मोर वीडियोज़ कमिंग सून. एंड या अभी के लिए इतना ही. आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट वीक. बाय.